Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce login for external users with MFA, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Salesforce login for external users with multi-factor authentication, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type MFA to locate the multi-factor authentication settings. Select MFA from the results. Enable multi-factor authentication for your organization if it is not already activated. Next, navigate to the Users section in Setup. Find the external user you want to enable MFA for and click on their username. Scroll down to the Security section. Locate the Multi-Factor Authentication option. Check the box to enable MFA for that specific user. Click the Save button to apply the changes. Once saved, the user will receive an email prompting them to set up their MFA method. Instruct the external user to check their email for the MFA setup link. They should click the link and follow the prompts to select their preferred MFA method, such as the Salesforce Authenticator app or other supported methods. After selecting the MFA method, they will need to complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. Once completed, the user will return to their login page. Now, when the external user logs in, they will be prompted to enter their username and password. After entering their credentials, they will receive a request to provide the second factor of authentication. The user should follow the steps in their chosen MFA method to generate or receive the code. They will input the code on the Salesforce login page. Upon successful entry of the code, the external user will gain access to Salesforce. It's essential to communicate this process clearly to all external users to ensure a smooth transition to MFA. Regularly remind users to keep their authentication methods secure and accessible. By following these steps, your organization can enhance security and ensure safe access for external users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.